and welcome for the love of food. Today we're with an amazing Indian chef. I want to introduce you to a very, very nice lady and fantastic cook, Karuna Kamar. And Karuna, tell us, where are you from?
I'm from North India, Delhi.
Is there a new Delhi in a Delhi?
Okay, Delhi is an old place, right? An old Delhi. The Delhi is a city, and New Delhi is a newly built place around. Okay, that is New Delhi.
So it's kind of like it's suburbs.
It's the extension suburbs, right?
All right. So can you just tell me what you think is the singular most popular dish from where you come from that area of India?
Butter chicken, because it's the most loved and the most ordered and take-out dish worldwide.
Butter chicken.
Yes.
So is it made with butter?
It has a lot of butter, yes.
Okay.
Butter chicken means it's the sauce that is there. It's very smooth and velvety.
So where would we find your food or information about your food? Where's the easiest place to find you and your information?
Okay, at fingersareforburning.com. It's my information is all there. And my food at the virtual restaurant out of the kitchen at Cheney Raleigh.
Wonderful. So Fingers Are for Burning, and I love that name. I've told you before, it's an amazing brand. Tell me, how long have you been in the United States?
Permanently living here since past 4 years.
4 years? So what brought you to the United States?
So we've been traveling across the world a lot, and then his passion, his work, and my passion for traveling, and now since his work opportunity that got us here.
Who inspired you to pursue cooking as an art and then now as a profession?
Okay, well, that the cooking runs in my family, right? My father was an excellent chef. He just used to experiment a lot in the kitchen, and whenever he had the time, he would just cook and feed people every time. So I think that has gone into me.
What do you think the biggest food difference is between what we have here in the United States and what you'd make in India?
Okay, the food difference is the food culture is completely different. The spices are different. The crops are different, which has, given the palates are completely different.
And what are the predominant proteins, and also the vegetables and fruits and spices that are used in especially cooking from the region that you're from, in Delhi?
See, in India, as you can say, as a whole country, is mostly a vegetarian nation. We eat a lot of vegetables and fruits. And protein, yes, we eat a lot, but vegetarian always takes the front seat. So when it comes to protein, chicken, yes, and we eat a lot of mutton also.
Mutton?
Goat meat, yes.
I did not know that. Tell us a unique cooking technique that you use in India that may or may not be as prominent here.
Okay, so the unique cooking technique would be brewing the masala. That means cooking the masala for a longer period of time till it all comes together. And then there is a Dungar method of infusing charcoal into the food. That is not done anywhere, right?
So, and is that where Fingers Are for Burning is coming from?
The food back, what we get at the is cooked. It's cooked on charcoal overnight. So the charcoal is automatically infused into the food, right? The flavors is all automatically there. But in modern kitchens, we don't have that facility.
That's right.
So we infuse charcoal into the food.
Where do you source the ingredients for your food, Karuna?
Okay, so for the vegetables, I mostly go to farmers market. And spices, we get it from Spice Fix. They have really amazing spices. Yes, the spices are very good. The flavors, the freshness.
And did you find that you have to adapt the recipes, your authentic recipes for the American palate?
I haven't adjusted anything.
Nothing.
And the people are really loving it, right?
Absolutely.
It's not that hot. It's not too spicy.
Yes.
It's cooked the way it is supposed to be.
It's balanced.
Balanced, yes.
So
it's using your spices and creating creating balancing flavors.
So do you offer classes? Do you offer private events, virtual lessons? Tell us a little bit about what do you do? Where can we find you, and how do we interact with you?
Okay, you can find me at my website fingersareforburning.com, right? And my social handle fingersareforburning,
Yep.
everywhere on Facebook, Instagram. All right. So as of now, I am focusing on my virtual restaurant, okay, which offers takeout and delivery from the kitchen of the Chini out of North Raleigh, based in North Raleigh, okay. And virtual classes, yes, I've not done that, but yes, it's in the pipeline to train all the budding chefs and the chef entrepreneurs who are more keen learning about Indian food and techniques. Yes, we can do live sessions, we can do virtual classes.
Nice.
Yes, but yeah, now the need of the time is a virtual restaurant, which was there.
Yeah, and that's so true. So you're involved in the Spice Roots project that's happening out of the virtual kitchen at ChiniRaleigh.com.
That's true.
And if you want to try her food, you can get it from there. Also, go to her website. Her photos are absolutely beautiful. She is an amazing photographer and a wonderful Indian chef. So I want to thank you so much, Karuna.
Thank you.